This is an Ecwid tutorial for beginners in 2025. We are going to show you how to set up your online store and start selling digital products like maybe ebooks, templates, online courses, whatever you want in just some few easy steps. So let's just get started. First, you'll need to go and open any browser that you have and simply just go to the URL section and type ecwid.com. Then go and hit the enter button. Once you do so, this should take you into the home screen or main screen of Ecwid right away. So what we'll need to do first, if we have an account, we can go and click on login at the top right corner to log in into an account. And if we don't have an account, we can instead click on get started to create an account. So let me just go here and log in for my account in my case. And as you can see, you can use an Apple account, Facebook or Google. And as you can see, there's even PayPal if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So for me, I'm just going to log in using my Google account right here. I'm going to choose my account. And of course, I'll have to allow everything that they ask me, especially if I just created my account. So once I sign up for an Ecwid account or I just logged in, I should find myself in a dashboard. I would encourage you to finish those steps as you can see right here. So done with creating an account, set up your website and storefront, add products or services, review regional settings, and choose how to deliver your good, and finally set up the payments option. If you've done all of those stuff in here, you are already not a beginner, you are higher level, and you can simply start selling your product. So I advise you to just follow up this step by step. As you can see, they even give you estimates for each step. So 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 1, 5, 5. So as you can see, 25 or 26 minutes max. So you can just go and click on that step. And as you can see, they'll take you to do it. It's very simple. You can just go and follow it. If you don't want to, we can simply just go and show you how to get through Ecwid step by step. Of course, I'm just going through the beginner options that you will need to know as an example. So now, let's say, as an example, we would like to configure our store settings. Because before adding any products, we would like to set up a store name, some business info, and maybe a store URL as well. So in here, on this left panel, as you can see, you'll have to go to settings and simply just go and hover general or click on general. So hover settings and click on general. Once you do so, you'll be taken here. So I'd advise you here to change, first of all, your online store name. Also, you'll have to scroll down. If you have any company name, email address, phone number, go and enter that as well. And if you have a physical company, you can simply enter that address as well of that. If you have any social media account, make sure to enter them down here because it will make it very good for you. And yeah, those are one of the most important stuff that you'll have to enter about your store. Of course, you can also enter your regional settings, carts and checkout, an example, if you want to enable anything. And also for tracking and analytics as well. So for me, I'm just going to the dashboard, and let's say for you, you edit all of that. So now we would like to start adding our first digital products. We can go to this left panel, as an example, again, and hover this catalog. And here we will find products option. We can just go and click on that. Of course, if you still have this to-do list right here, you can click on this add your products or services as well, which is the third option. And this will take you to the exact place. So catalog and products right here. So what we'll need to do here is simply start adding our digital products as an example. Of course, if you have any physical products, you'll be able to add it as well. If you have a products sheets in a CSV file or something like that, you will be able to import them, as you can see from here. You'll be able to import it as a file, or you'll be able to import a catalog and a lot of other stuff. But most of those stuff will require a plan for you if you want to, as you can see, to export data. So if you want to just import from a file, you'll be able to click in here and you'll have to choose the file that you have all the product that you want, especially if you have a lot of products that you exported from another store. So for me here as an example, I'm just going back and I'm going to click on add a new product. Of course, again, you can also bulk updates if you want to update a lot of products together. So once I click on the new products here, I'll have to choose one of, or I'll have to upload first of all some images of the product. Of course, you can click on the plus, and for me, I'm just going to choose here some random images. I'm just going to see this 3 images, or let me just go and choose those as well and click on open. And let's say this is the products image of my product. Of course, for me here, for testing purposes, I'm just going to enter whatever it is. For you, make sure to have legitimate stuff. So once you enter your images here, it's time, as example, to give it a name and also the SKU and the weight, of course, in kilogram if it's require shipping or it's a physical product. If it's not require any shipping, you can just uncheck this option and you don't have to enter the weight in kilogram, in kilogram basically, if it's basically a digital product. Let's say we have a digital product, maybe as example, a portrait or a design. An example, I'm just going to do here the name, design, like this. The SKU as an example, since it's a digital product, is it a unique product or you want, as an example, to sell multiple of the same product? It's totally up to you. You can set an example, I don't know, this number, or maybe you want each design to be unique to a specific person, so you can do just one. Totally up to you. So for me, for example, I'm just going to do 20 here or something like that. Of course, on the right, you will have this pricing option, where you will have to set the price of your product. As an example, I'm just going to put here $20. The dollars is the default, as you can see, currency here. You can also, as you can see right here, you'll find an add in video option. But to add in a video, you will need basically a better plan to do so. So other than that, you would like to write a description. If you're not good at writing description, you can just go to any AI option, like as an example, let's just say ChatGPT, and you can describe your product. So as an example, I have this product as an example, and I need a description for it. And of course, you can simply just, the description that they give you, you can simply just go and enter it out here. So now you can go and add or edit ribbon and add some products, subtitles as an example, or subtitle, but those stuff will require again a pro plan. So now you'll be able right away to preview the products and how will it look like on your store, as an example. So it's going to be looking something like that, and people will be able to add it to bag and stuff, as you can see right here. So this is if you want to like, let's just stay on the page. So this is if you want to preview like the products, whatever you entered here. So this is the general settings of your products. You can also enter like the other additional settings, like the attribute options, as an example. If you have a product option, and also if it's some files, as an example. So to sell digital goods, we will need a better plan, as you can see, because you will have to upload like the file that this person is getting. Maybe it's a course, as an example, or something like that. So you'll need a better plan. So you can click on that, as an example, and get a better plan to get it. Of course, once you click on it, they'll show you like the plans that they have and other stuff as well. So they will take you an example here to upgrade your plan. I don't know why it's a little bit slow, maybe because I clicked too much. So as you can see here, we have the free plan, we have the venture, business and stuff. Every plan comes with better options. Like here, it comes everything with in venture, 100 products, an example, 3 additional instant site pages, connecting custom domain, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, inventory tracking, store management app, carrier calculated shipping rate, and a lot of other stuff. So it's totally up to you to, if you want to, like an example, upgrade to get other options. So of course, we have here like the shipping and pickup, as you can see, if it like requires shipping, but if you want to sell a digital product, you don't have to do so. SEO, as an example, like how will it look like if someone look it up on Google? If you want to optimize SEO, as an example, or improve SEO, they have some options here to help you out, because it's a lot of things to understand, but it's not that like hard to understand. So it just requires some time. And of course, here you can also enable some related products. So when people click on and want to buy this product, they will be taken, or they will find like, this is a product, especially if you have a lot of products in your store, they will find, oh, this is a related product. They want to go and get that as well. And of course, you can also add the buy now button, example, which will, as you can see, embed this product in your sites, insert this product anywhere on your sites with the buy now button. Customers will be able to order from all pages where you have this products embedded, as you can see. So to import your products on your blog and a lot of other stuff. So once you're done with all of that, you can simply, as we said, just go and click on preview. Everything that you changes, you'll be able to see it and how it does look like on your store. And once you're done, you can just go and click on add new products if you want to add a new one. If you don't, you can simply just go back. Of course, like for me, I'm just going to stay in this page. Of course, you can always again click on view, like your store here at the top right. You can click on it and it will open a new tab. And as you can see, you'll find the product that we just added right here. As you can see, it's very simple and it will be added. So other than that, if you want to like edit your store, you can just go again, example, to the dashboard. And here, as you can see, as we said, you can go and set up your store and edit it however you want. And What I will advise you, of course, to do once you add your digital products, you will have to set up some payment options or methods like PayPal, Stripe, Square, Apple Pay, and yeah, you can also customize your storefronts. And I guess that should be it. That should be or you should be good to go. Of course, as you can see, if you set up some payments, you'll be able to connect or to connect, as you can see what I said before. You can also add some manual payment methods or more options to accept like some online payments for my country or other options. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.